So let's go ahead and go back to the Hostinger dashboard. And here, let's click on websites. And then here, let's click on continue setup. Here, I'm going to choose that I want to build a website for myself or my business and click on next. Then let's choose create a website and click next. Here, because we want to build a WordPress website, let's choose WordPress and click next. Next, we're going to have to set up our login details for our WordPress account. For WordPress admin mail, I'm going to use the same email as I've used for Hostinger. And then for administrator password, I'm going to enter a new password. Then let's click on next. Here, we don't want to use any of these two options. So let's continue by clicking on create blank site at the bottom. Here, we have to choose a domain name that we want to use for this WordPress website. And if you've been following along and have set up your domain here on Hostinger, you should be able to choose it right here. If you don't already have your domain name or you have it somewhere else, don't worry, you can just click on use temporary domain for now and connect it later. I'm going to use my domain that I've set up before and click on next. Here we have the ability to choose our server location, which is going to be the location where all of your website files will be stored. Generally, you want to pick a location that is closest to most of your website visitors. So if most of your website visitors are going to be coming from the United States, then you want to choose a server location in the United States. If most of them are going to come from Europe, then you want to choose a location here in Europe. So pick the most optimal location for you and then click on next. And now WordPress is being installed. And once the installation is complete, it will automatically take you to your WordPress dashboard, which is basically the backend of your new website. Now I'm going to show you two easy ways to reach this dashboard in the future. The first one is to simply go to your Hostinger account, go to websites, and then right here you can find your website and click on WP admin, which will take you to your dashboard. An even faster way is to simply open up a new tab in your browser, type in your website domain followed by WP-admin and then hit enter, and that will also take you directly to your WordPress dashboard.